Managers negotiate all the time with their bosses, their team, and with stakeholders. But developing negotiation skills is often left to chance. So here is one invaluable technique that will boost your negotiation powers. In a negotiation, you know what you want, but so does the other party, and those outcomes may not be compatible. To reach an agreement, both parties will need to make concessions. Trading concessions is the process of negotiation. What most people don't realise is that there are two types of concession. One, constants. Constants have a fixed value to both parties. For example, price. If one person gains on price, the other loses. Two, variables. Variables are of greater value to one party than the other. Examples might be obtaining a guarantee or an agreed deadline. Variables are the key to successful negotiation, but sometimes, because they are easy for us to say yes to, we don't realise their value to the other party. Giving away small concessions without getting anything in return is conceding, not negotiating. You should always be looking to trade your concessions. You offer something to the other party, and in return, they give something to you. To do this, you use the magic word, if. Imagine you want to get a report signed off and circulated. You know you'll have a first draft ready by Tuesday. You could just say, I can get this to you by Tuesday, but that gives something away for nothing. Try it again with the magic word, if. If I can get the report to you by Tuesday, would you be able to request any changes the next day so that I can circulate it on Thursday? You concede a variable that costs you nothing, and in doing so, you get what you want. Trading concessions is how you reach a win-win situation. In a recent study, 40% of people said they didn't feel confident in their ability to negotiate. Use this simple technique of trading concessions to make sure that you're not one of them.